necklace on you to see.
In fact, he does have a necklace on his tushy. Hi, Kellen. Alright, can you roll over, dude? Show the ladies how it's done.
That's me.
Okay. Wow, she's rolling back. Here he comes. Let's move these. Woohoo!
That's me. I'm a roll over.
You're gonna roll over too?
Yeah, I can roll over this way.
Good job, Kellen. Can you straighten out? Yay! I think it was the necklaces that helped him do it, Jenny Bear.
Yeah.
Yeah? That is awesome, Kellen. He's rolled over 10 times without anybody seeing him, and we caught number 11. You guys want to say anything for the camera? He just woke up. What do you think? Yay!